If you think weak pelvic muscles only affect older adults, think again. The truth is, most people, especially over 40, are silently losing pelvic strength every single year, and it shows up as lower back pain, poor balance, weak glutes, and even loss of control. But here's the good news. You don't need complicated machines or long workouts. With a few targeted movements, you can rebuild serious pelvic strength right at home. And today, I'm going to show you some of the most effective Kegel-style exercises that actually work. Let's start with the Glute March. This move looks simple, but it's powerful. Lie on your back, lift your hips into a bridge, and then slowly lift one leg at a time like you're marching. The key here is control. Don't let your hips drop or twist. This forces your pelvic floor and glutes to stabilize your body together, which is exactly what most people lose with age. Do this slow and controlled, and you'll feel your core firing in a way that crunches never give you. Next is the pelvic tilt into bridge. This is where everything begins. Start flat on your back, gently tilt your pelvis to press your lower back into the ground, then lift into a bridge. This teaches you how to properly activate your pelvic floor instead of just using your lower back. Most people skip this step and wonder why their glutes never grow or their pain never goes away. Slow reps here build a strong foundation. Now, let's open things up with the butterfly pose. Sit down, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees drop out. But don't just sit there. Gently engage your pelvic muscles and maintain an upright posture. This stretch improves blood flow and flexibility around the hips and pelvic region, which is essential for strength. Tight hips kill activation, and this fixes that. Moving on to the crab pose. This one challenges both strength and coordination. Sit with your hands and feet on the ground, lift your hips and hold. You can also add small marches here for extra difficulty. This hits your glutes, core, and pelvic floor all at once. It might feel awkward at first, but that's a sign your body is waking up muscles it hasn't used in years. Then we have the rocking frog stretch. Get into a frog position with your knees wide and feet out, then gently rock back and forth. This opens up your inner thighs and pelvic area deeply. Why does this matter? Because a tight pelvic region can't generate strong contractions. You need both strength and mobility, and this stretch gives you that balance. Now, let's bring in some dynamic movement with the half burpee. Unlike a full burpee, this version is controlled and joint-friendly. As you step back into a plank and return up, focus on engaging your core and pelvic muscles. This trains your body to use pelvic strength in real-life movements, not just lying on the floor. Finally, scissors. Lie on your back, lift your legs slightly, and alternate them up and down in a controlled motion. Keep your lower back pressed into the ground. This lights up your lower abs and pelvic floor together, creating that deep internal strength most workouts ignore. If you stay consistent with these exercises, you're not just strengthening your pelvic muscles, you're rebuilding your entire foundation. Better posture, stronger glutes, improved balance, and more control in everyday life. Now here's the key. Don't just watch this and move on. Start today. Even 10 minutes a day can completely change how your body feels and performs. And if you want more simple, powerful routines like this designed especially for adults over 40 and 50, make sure you subscribe and stay consistent. Your body will thank you for it.